Introducing the NewMed Osseodensification Burs Dental Implant Kit, a high-precision solution for modern dental implantology. This 24-piece kit is expertly designed to optimize bone density and enhance primary implant stability through the innovative process of osseodensification. Crafted from premium surgical-grade German stainless steel, each burr in this set delivers exceptional durability, corrosion resistance, and precision performance. Whether you're a specialist or a general practitioner, this kit ensures reliability and accuracy during every procedure. Housed in a robust, autoclavable case, the entire kit is fully reusable and engineered for repeated sterilization without compromising performance or structural integrity. Designed with the practicing dentist in mind, the burs feature advanced cutting geometry for controlled drilling and superior bone preservation, helping you achieve optimal implant placement, improved patient outcomes, and a higher success rate. At NewMed Instruments, we prioritize excellence. That's why this kit is backed by our lifetime warranty against rust and manufacturing defects, a testament to our commitment to quality and innovation. Now in stock and ready to ship, the Osseodensification Burs Kit is available with fast delivery in just 4 to 5 working days. Elevate your implantology procedures with confidence and precision. Choose NewMed's 24-piece Osseodensification Kit, where quality meets performance. NewMed Instruments, precision you can trust. Thanks for watching.